What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with money making videos via YouTube. Thank you so much for hitting that thumbnail and for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Why, you may ask? Well, these videos talk about making money online. Each video is a video that could potentially help you, someone you know, or someone just in your circle, help them make money online. Right? So do all those things, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, let me know where you're watching from, and let's jump into it. A company called WorkMotion is looking for a customer experience associate. You can work full-time internationally, meaning from anywhere, not just in office, but you can work from various countries, various locations around the world, and make money full-time online. Before we go any further, let me just remind you that this is being recorded at 7:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and this will be, or this has been, or is being recorded on Tuesday, the 22nd of February, 2022. That's cool. It's the second work day of the week, second month of the year, 2022. Awesome. So whenever you're watching this video, that will give you some reference. This will be posted on the 23rd of February, and at this time of recording, it was posted 3 hours ago. So it was posted roughly 4:34 or 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 22nd of February 2022. Okay? Now, WorkMotion, who are they? Well, let's look at their website real quick. When you press that chain link looking icon, it takes us to their website. Okay. All right. So they are a global HR solutions company. Let's just close this real quickly. Won't close. It's fine. Okay. So we'll just rely on the application. But it's always good to go through the website because you can pick up a lot of things about the company that you otherwise would not by just going through the application information. So they're based in Cairo, okay? Cairo Governorate. So Cairo is the capital of Egypt. So Cairo is a city. So Cairo Governorate, Egypt. Customer experience full time is the very to the point, blunt, short version. Okay. Now the company is changing the way companies hire employees around the globe, but can't do it without enabling our customers. The customer support associate is the first point of contact for support requests from both our customers and their employees. Now, as a support associate, you will be working to add value to our customers through email, chat, and phone. Now, what you'll do on a daily basis is critically analyze and respond to queries from our customers and their employees. So they hire you to help their clients get things sorted out. Okay. Now you proactively track requests and ensure they are 100% resolved. Own your work from A to Z. I say Z because I'm from a country that speaks English, not American English. And English people tend to say Z. If you say Z, that's perfectly fine as long as we know what we're talking about. Okay. Next, ensure customer satisfaction through outstanding customer service. Assist in improving our internal processes and knowledge system. Advocate for our customers internally. So what we're looking for is someone with fluency in English. That is a must. And they want it both written and spoken form. There are many people who can speak it but can't write it. Some can write it but can't speak it. Clearly, some don't know English at all, but they want someone to have both written and spoken skills with English. Written and spoken English skills. Okay? You should have 3 to 5 years experience in a similar role in a remote setting. That's a must. So not only should you have a similar role, but you should have this similar role in a remote setting. Now, a customer-centric approach to resolving issues, effective collaborator, able to support other team members, ability to monitor the progress of your requests and anticipate roadblocks. You should show some resilience in times of pressure. Startup experience is a plus, right? So if you've gone through bootstrapping and startup and all that stuff, then you would be an incredible asset. You should have a quiet environment for making calls and a reliable internet connection. So if you have dogs in the house that may bark from time to time because the wind is blowing, not good. They want quiet, okay? You don't want to be dealing with clients and clients are competing with pet sounds and vehicle sounds and construction sounds. Your environment should be really quiet. Now what they offer to you, okay? As a fully remote and completely distributed team, you can do your best work from anywhere you are the happiest. There are opportunities to get to know some of your colleagues at our offices. There's competitive salary, merit-based culture with substantial growth opportunities, trust-based work rather. Organize your own schedule. We want to celebrate results, not hours spent working. Collaborative team culture where everyone's input is valued. Subsidized gym membership subscription and other benefits. Training and development allowance. Regular company and team events like summer or Christmas parties and more. COVID permitting, of course. So some benefits may vary due to local law and regulations. So if there's a COVID restriction happening in a city where you cannot be out past 7 p.m., it's going to be hard to have a party. So they may have it starting 12 to end 4 to have people reach home by 5, 6. You get what I mean? So a bit about the company. They are a remote first tech startup founded in 2020. So almost 2 years now. They offer an all-in-one HR service to their clients, allowing them to hire the very best talent anywhere in the world. So you work global. Additionally, our solution helps our clients become a company of choice by enabling them to offer temporary employment to their employees through our easy-to-use WorkFlex product. A stellar founding team is leading WorkMotion, backed by one of the most renowned early-stage investors in Europe. If you like to roll up your sleeves and get all in, we can do it and build the future of work together. You will be part of our incredible intercultural team based all over the world and have the chance to learn and grow alongside the company. No matter what you look like, where you're from, or where you prefer to work, we encourage all to apply. We believe that the more diversified we are, the more we can revolutionize the working world. Now, if you want to revolutionize the working world, hit that button, this button. Okay? Hit it. When the application page pops up, fill out the fields where it says name, address, whatever, enter your information, the appropriate information there. All right, guys? So if you like HR, you know and do HR work remotely, you are fluent in English, written and spoken, you should check this out. Okay, it's full-time, it's international, you can work from anywhere, and it sounds like a pretty cool place to be. As always, do your own vetting. Vet. Double check to make sure the company is legit. Double check to make sure everything is honky-dory. And then do your business. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja. I appreciate all you guys for your subscriptions, for watching from all over the world. Hit me up. Let me know what your thoughts are. But if you're someone who's serious about working from home, from anywhere in the world, and you speak English well and you write English well, you should check this customer support or customer experience role for their HR department at WorkMotion. Guys, subscribe, notification bell, like, comment, share. I'll see you guys in the next one. All the best to you and yours. Peace.